Good evening.
Good evening.
Good. Our today's lesson will be on staining. Staining. So, at the end of this topic, you as a student, you should be able to define what a staining is, and you should also give some of the types of staining we normally do on the lab. And after that, you should also know how to classify bacteria according to their shape, arrangement, and structure. Lastly, you should be able to perform the procedure on how you can do any staining in the lab. So this is what you should know as a student at the end of this topic. Fine. So by the end of this topic, you should be able to define what a staining is. You should be able to know how to classify bacteria according to their shape, arrangement, and the structure. Lastly, you should be able to perform the procedural matter on the gram stain. So the staining is simply a technique we normally apply on the microscope to bring contrast on a specimen. And the gram stain is a method of staining we normally use to classify the bacterial organism into two broad categories. For example, gram negative or gram positive. So we want to draw a table on how you can know and how you can classify bacteria according to their shape, arrangement, and structure. So this is a staining. We say we have two types of staining: simple and difference. We have simple and differential stain. Under simple, we normally use to visualize the shape, arrangement, and the structure of bacteria. On differential stain, we normally use to identify the bacteria, and we normally again use to identify the structure of that particular bacteria. So bacteria you can classify according to their shape as follows. There are some which has rod-like shapes. That one we normally refer as a bacillus. And there are some which have the coma shape. This one we refer to as a vibrio. Some have a vibrio, and some have a vibrio as a coma shape. And some have spherical shape. That one we normally refer as a cocci. So we are through the classification of bacteria in terms of their shapes. So we are going to the arrangement. How you can identify bacteria if you use the arrangement. Arrangement can be, they can be in pairs, they can be in cluster, or they can be formed in a pairs cluster, or they can be, I think this one the major thing you know. In terms of arrangement, for example, we have the bacillus. Some will normally appear in two. This one, you can say it is a Diplococcus because it is appear in two. And if you see it is appear in single, that one, it is just a bacillus. And if you see them, they appear in chain-like, that one can be Streptococcus. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. And if you see it is appear in a strata-like, some appear here, some this way. That one can be Staphylococcus. Understood?
Yes.
Good. In terms of structure, this is when you will identify the thickness of the cell wall of that particular bacteria. So the thickness, for example, we have the gram positive. It's normally have a thick cell wall, thick peptide,